hello, it's Pancake Day and we're eating pancakes.
And making them, which you will see the epic fail later. And the amazing flip later too. Right now we're just trying stuff as much as we can in our mouth before. Hey, that's not mine, that's yours. No.
You like pancakes, don't forget saffron.
No, that's yours, I've already got one more.
I got one.
I can't eat that.
Saffron. I don't need that in my butter. Just leave it on your plate and maybe you can do it.
No, just leave it on your plate, maybe you can do it. Tip for you, drink milk, it helps it go down.
We have to tidy the kitchen before I come back. I can't eat that. I said
I
it's
can't
finished.
eat that.
You've got the sugar on your plate.
I'm hoping Mum won't come back. Yeah, that's so much. Last pancake, then we're done. Okay? You have a smaller one than me. You should feel happy.
Jam, a bit too much.
But still, this is a good pancake. Let's record our pancakes. We have one left. This is
Should
our
we have a
challenge.
competition who can eat it fastest?
Okay.
Wait there, I've got this bit.
But let's decorate it first. And you can cut it too. Let's. Oh, no. Okay.
How do we get it down a little bit?
What's saying underneath? Like this rock. Oh yeah.
We sort of need our faces in it though.
No.
No? You're stuck.
Yeah. I'm in it. But
Don't laugh and then mess up. This is a genuine competition.
okay. The competition is who can eat it the fastest. The winner gets another pancake.
No.
Oh well. Worth a try.
Right. Wait there. I need to breathe. Wait there.
I need to breathe too. Don't drink all of that. That's
Okay.
wait there. 3.
Can we cut it up or not? No.
Wait,
3?
yeah.
No, we can't. 3, 2, 1, go. I can't chew it. It's like dry crackers. Can we just... Come on, keep it going. It's in your mouth. You put it in your mouth. You got swag.
Not good idea.
I'm gonna beat you. You just crammed it in. I'm remaining calm. I feel sick.
So why?
Oh god.
I was stuck down my Yummy, look at that huge pancake. My pancake's better though. My pancake's small and sugary, much too sugary, but still. Courtney's going to flip the pancake. Come on then. What happened there?
I told you it's too big. Right, it's cool. I just need to have that. Flip it.
And that bit.
Oh no. That's what happens when you want a big pancake saffron.
You were the one who put it in. More pancakes. I think small pancakes are better, Courtney.
You think? This was mine. You just had two. You're right.
I know. That's mine. My precious. Now you can watch me eat. Do it though.
You need to get more oil in it. Are you recording?
Yeah. Try again. I bet you're going to fail one time.
Right, can I try a bit of that? Because I need to see what it's like.
Okay, let's record the results.
Ooh.
Looks a bit floppy. Is it nice?
Tastes like a pancake. Well, it tastes like a pancake with nothing on it.
Oh, really? Yeah. Pancake, how about? Yeah.